Hello traders, welcome back to Trading Nuances. Today's market action was a tug of war between the bulls and bears. While Nifty 50 managed to hold its gains, Bank Nifty struggled near resistance, leaving traders on edge. The day was filled with sectoral rotations, heavy FII activity and key levels being tested, and we are here to break it all down for you. So stay tuned till the end as we analyze price action, institutional activity and open interest trends. Let's start with Nifty 50. Nifty 50 closed at 22,907.6 points, up 73 points after hitting an intraday high of 22,940.7 and a low of 22,812.15. The unstoppable rally in auto stocks was fueled by Tata Motors, Mahindra & Mahindra and Maruti Suzuki. FIIs and DIIs are loading up on auto stocks ahead of expected strong earnings. Amid global price surge, metals were shining bright. Tata Steel was riding the wave of higher global steel prices. Prices of JSW Steel increased due to heavy demand from China boosting momentum. Hindalco was seen benefiting from recovery in aluminum prices. Rebound in commodity prices and strong export orders are keeping demand high in the metal sector. Financials are holding the fort for Nifty. Private banks are outperforming while PSU banks are struggling to keep pace. ID and pharma were the underperforming sectors. Global tech companies are struggling and investors are rotating into cyclicals like metals and autos. Pharma stocks are facing weaknesses as pharma is taking a backseat as investors are seen chasing high growth sectors. As far the OI data goes, biggest resistance is seen at 23,000 CE as heavy call writing suggests a very strong hurdle. There is a strong support at 22,800 PE as put writers are aggressively defending this level. Max pain is at 22,900 as market is likely to consolidate around this range. A break above 23,000 could trigger a sharp rally while failure to hold 22,800 might bring a short-term correction. Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed at 49,702.6 points, ending flat, struggling to break past the 49,800 resistance. Private banks showed strength, but PSU banks are struggling. Private banks remains the best bet while PSU banks face headwinds. The OI data shows strong resistance at 49,800 CE with heavy call writing capping upside. 49,500 PE is acting as strong support as put writers are building a floor here. Max pain is at 49,600 and the market is likely to consolidate before a big move. Bank Nifty needs to break 49,800 for further upside. A failure here could lead to a dip back to 49,500 or 49,200 levels. Final thoughts. Nifty is still bullish but 23,000 is a big hurdle. Bank Nifty needs to clear 49,800 for more upside. Sectoral rotation is in full swing with auto, metals and financials in focus. That's it for today's analysis. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Trading Nuances. See you tomorrow with another powerful breakdown.